I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check the coverage map on your Bell 2026 device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your Bell 2026. Make sure your device is powered on and fully charged. This ensures that you can access all features without interruptions. Step 2. Access the main menu. From the home screen, swipe down or press the menu button to access the main menu. This is where you can find various settings and options. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Scroll through the menu options until you find the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings menu where you can adjust various configurations. Step 4. Select network settings. Within the settings menu, look for network or network settings. This is where you can find information related to your coverage and connectivity. Step 5. View coverage map. In the network settings, look for an option labeled coverage map or check coverage. Tap on it to view the coverage area for your location. If you don't see this option, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Now you should be able to see the coverage map on your Bell 2026. If you run into any issues, double check your internet connection or restart your device. Happy browsing!